Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the NCLEX the second time. First, review your previous performance report to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Cultivate a positive and resilient mindset, understanding that this is a new opportunity. Focus on learning from your past experience, not dwelling on it. Believe in your ability to succeed with a fresh approach and dedicated effort. Next, develop a comprehensive study plan tailored to your specific needs. Prioritize content areas where you scored lower, dedicating more time to them. Use reputable review courses and question banks, aiming to complete 75 to 100 practice questions every day. Analyze rationales for both correct and incorrect answers to deepen your understanding. On test day, employ smart test-taking strategies. Focus on understanding the question's core, eliminating incorrect options, and prioritizing patient safety. Manage your time effectively, ensuring you don't rush, but also don't get stuck on one question for too long. Practice critical thinking and clinical judgment regularly to build confidence in your decision-making. Finally, prioritize your well-being throughout this process. Ensure you get adequate sleep, eat nutritious meals, and incorporate stress-reducing activities like exercise or meditation. A calm mind performs better under pressure. Trust in your preparation, maintain a positive outlook, and visualize yourself successfully passing the NCLEX. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.